So how to update iOS 18 on your iPhone? If you go to your iPhone and go to your general and software update, then you can see the ISO 7.5 17.5, but you want to install 18. For that you have to go your Apple developer website, go to your Safari browser and type developer.apple, this website, and then top left corner you can see two dotted line. You have to press on there and you have to sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure you are using same Apple ID with your phone and log into your Apple ID now. So then you can see this kind of interface. So you have to press on yes and accept the term and condition and press on submit, and it's done. So now you just simply restart your iPhone. So I am restarting my iPhone, shut down, and my phone is turned on now. Now again go to your setting and software update, then you can see the beta update option. So you have to see the ISO 18 and ISO 17. You can select any one. I am selecting the ISO 18 developer beta and go back. Then you can see the update now or update tonight. So verify it with your passcode, and it's a 7.11 GB. Make sure your iPhone have enough space to download the beta version. So once all done, your software will be update or download within a couple of minutes. So once all software updated, then you can check your ISO version. Go to your setting and go to about, then you can see the ISO version here. So hope video helpful. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Have a good day.